What we've got here is a form tool that we use to turn the OD of a thin 3mm thick aluminium ring, and we turn the outside diameter, and it also chamfers the front and back edges as well. And this just needs a little bit of a touch up. It's got a little bit blunt. So the way you do this is you grind the form on the tool with a grinding wheel that's got the profile of what you want on the finished piece. So at the minute I'm just going to put a little bit more of a flat on the grinding wheel and then give the tool a little lick over, and hopefully that gets us where we want to be. Just looking at the shape on this tool, you can see the profile looking straight on the end, and then the rake angle has been done in 3 goes. There's a little kind of scoopy grind here, just across, just immediately behind cutting edge in the middle. Yeah, we've kind of lost a bit of the rake over the years where it's been ground back. Ideally that wouldn't hurt to be a bit steeper. Still cutting okay, and then we've got kind of auxiliary rakes cutting along the side. So this angled piece has got its own rake angle, brings the chip out this way, and similar sort of thing on the back side. Just there. Again, this part of the chip comes out this side. So when it's cutting, you get 3 forms. You get a chip in the middle, and then a chip there, and a chip there. It doesn't break up, it's soft alley, but it curls away quite nicely. I don't know if we'll be able to get a close-up of it actually in action to see the cut a bit better. We'll see.